In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix automation that seamlessly connects with Zoho applications using Zapier as the intermediary. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and automate data transfer between your Wix website and Zoho, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's start by setting the trigger for your Wix automation. Open your Wix account and navigate to the automation section. Here you will set up the event that kicks off this automation. This trigger could be anything from form submissions on your site to other notable events within Wix that you deem important. Essentially, this trigger is the starting point that signals when the data should begin to flow from Wix to Zoho. Think of it as the foundation upon which the rest of your automation will be built. Next, we'll connect Wix to Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool that acts as a bridge, enabling communication between two different applications. In this case, Wix and Zoho. Head over to your Zapier account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward and doesn't take long. Once on Zapier, create a new Zap and set Wix as your trigger app. What happens here is that Zapier receives the event data whenever your specified trigger occurs in Wix, preparing it for the next step in your automated workflow. Now it's time to select the Zoho action you want to occur as a result of your selected Wix trigger. In Zapier, after setting Wix, go ahead and choose Zoho as the action app. Depending on your needs, you might choose from Zoho CRM, Zoho Forms, or any other Zoho application that suits your purposes. Once you've selected your application, decide on the specific action you want to perform, whether it's adding a new contact, creating a lead, or another task. Be sure you have access to your Zoho account to allow Zapier to connect and perform actions on your behalf. With that set, the next important step is to map the data between Wix and Zoho. This essentially means aligning the fields from your Wix form or event to the corresponding fields in your Zoho application. For instance, a name entered in a Wix form should go to the name field in Zoho, and an email should map to the email field, and so on. This mapping ensures that data is accurately transferred and populated into the correct spots in Zoho without any manual intervention. Finally, it's time to activate your created automation. Once everything is set up in Zapier, turn on your Zap. This activation starts the whole process, allowing the data to flow smoothly from your Wix site to Zoho every time your specified trigger occurs. Remember, automation might take a bit of tweaking initially, so feel free to test it by triggering the event in Wix to ensure the data lands perfectly in Zoho. And there you have it. You've created a powerful automation that can save you time and minimize error, allowing your business processes to run a bit more smoothly. Don't hesitate to explore more options within Wix and Zapier to extend your automation capabilities even further. Happy automating!